What's up, guys? We are on our way to go get the X pipe and resonator delete done for the CLS. We got Ali here in the car with us. Honestly, this place seems like it's much closer to the office than another spot I was looking at. This is only about 5 minutes away, so we decided to just step out and book a appointment right off the rip. My buddy got his CLS done here, so I'm assuming that these guys have some decent experience as well with what they're doing. And let's go ahead and get in there.
Are you also going to do a muffler delete, or?
I think I might do the muffler delete. I'm not too sure just yet, only because, you know, I don't know, I want to make it loud, but I don't want to be obnoxious, you know what I mean? So we'll see. Let's get there first, and maybe, I don't know, man, this car, I did get this car for performance reasons, so you know what I mean? I might do the muffler delete just because I want loud, you know what I'm saying? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't want too much drone in the car either. That's my problem. I feel like if I get rid of the mufflers, there's gonna be a lot of drone in the car, which is not something I want, right? So anyways, this is gonna be the first official mod for the CLS. You guys already know we did black out the rear with some dip, blacked out the badges and blacked out the emblem, but definitely want to get something that is kind of performance like. This isn't really performance. I mean, I was told that if I get rid of the resonators, I might see a little bit of increase in power, but who knows? I just want something that sounds nice while I drive it too, you know what I mean?
No, it's definitely gonna sound nicer.
You think so? I guess we'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and head to the shop, and we're gonna go pick this up once we arrive. Actually, real quick before we do that, let's do a little before and after. Stock twin turbo V8 stock exhaust system. You hear what it sounds like right now, stock?
Yeah, definitely gonna sound better after.
Let me go ahead and head in the thing first, and then I'll go from here. Hold on. One sec. Yo, I think it's there. Let me go ahead and check it out to make sure. Fast Auto Center, it's right here. We are here at Fast Auto Center. Let's go check this out. What's up, brother? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, good. I called in. I wanted to do some work on my CLS. The guy I spoke to on the phone, he said, come for 5.
What?
I was gonna do some exhaust work on the Mercedes. I was gonna do X pipe and resonator delete.
Which car is it?
Mercedes CLS550. You guys can see these guys definitely got some experience with the exhaust setup.
Okay, my friend, bring it at the back. The first door on that side, bring it in from here.
Got it. Go around. Go around.
So use his phone connected?
I think so.
Playing like Spanish tracks.
That's definitely him. Trying to be like me, you said?
Yeah, bro. I remember I was always flaming when I would ride with him, like, yo, like, just put you on these tracks, like, stop trying to act like you've been listening, like, start laughing, like, no.
Nah, Spanish music is pretty popular these days. All right, we've arrived here at Fast Auto Center. Exactly where my buddy got his CLS done. So.
You made an appointment or no?
Yeah, I called in. Ali, wanna give it a little rev? I wanted to do a little before and after. A little before and after. Nice.
Huh? Still sounds nice stock.
It still does sound nice stock. Who did I speak to on the phone? Was it him? I don't know who I spoke to. Ah, okay. Because I don't know. I might do the muffler delete as well. I don't know if you guys have time to squeeze it in there.
Okay, let's see.
Inshallah, maybe.
How far the mufflers are?
Yeah, they're big.
Bigger one.
Uh-huh.
And then you can start and see how it sounds.
Okay.
And if you want to make it louder, we can delete these.
I think I want to delete them for sure. What, the resonator? Is that
resonators. Oh, the
resonators? Yeah, the resonators. I want to delete them for sure.
Okay.
I want it loud, you know? It's cause for YouTube, so I want to make it nice, you know?
Yeah. Okay, then we'll do the X pipe here, delete these, and then you start and see how it sounds.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, brother.
Have a seat inside. It's gonna take about 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Okay, cool.
40 minutes?
So, yeah, so do you want to drop us and then we'll come back?
Oh, it's just cool here, I can't lie.
If you're gonna cool it, let's come. Okay. Then let's go. Got the whole squad here ready to go work on the car. Come. Let's go to the front. Ali's like, shit, should have came here?
No, like super bless the rates.
Huh?
Looks like they blessed the rates too.
They did bless the rates.
Funny, like they would have given you like 2 bills if you said you were half of the starting. I'm not sure if you guys can see that.
So the CLS is finished. Let's go ahead and look at the results. Nice. Let me remove the head cam. I can see it. As you can see, we have got the X pipe. Everything is all completed. Excited to hear it. All right, guys, we have the CLS here. Let's go ahead and hear it. I gotta teach you how to do that myself. No, definitely.
Sounds like a different car when you went.
Ready? Feeling a little faster too?
Does it?
I'm gonna come back for the muffler delete.
Yeah, to make more noise.
For sure, I need to make way more noise.
Yusuf revved it, made that pop noise. Like,
Yeah, of course. Brother was like, vroom, vroom.
oh,
I thought it was mine for a second.
yeah.
Oh yeah. It's definitely louder, I'll tell you that. What do you think?
Louder.
Way louder for sure, of course. Modified the
So
exhaust.
now
and
if you do
everything.
the muffler delete, it will be way louder. That's not you. That was you? That was not you, bro. Don't do that.
That wasn't me,
That was
man.
not you.
Chill. I just gotta remember that my exhausts were in all the metal and all that stuff is at the back. All right, let's go ahead and hear some revs real quick. See what the car sounds like.